So first we need to start by making the dough, and then later on we make the sauce, because so that you can wait for the dough to rise and ferment. So what you need to make the dough, you need some baking flour. Yeah, you need some flour, and then you need some salt and a little bit of sugar. So what you actually do is you mix a little bit of sugar. You mix a little bit of sugar in your flour. Mix sugar, and also you mix salt. To your taste. And then the most important ingredient here is the yeast. So you need to also put some yeast. And then you need to mix the whole dry ingredients together. This is how you make soft when it needs to come up like that. Yeah. So this is the pan I usually use. So you need to you see, almost the size of my palm, so I think it's the correct size. I just take it. This is what we do. So this is what I've done. I hope it can be seen. So this is where I've placed the pizza dough. So I just did. So guys, for the pizza, for how to make the pizza paste, so first you just take some onions and you fry them with just a little bit of oil, and you fry them, and you can also as well add some garlic. So this is actually the consistency of the paste. Like, this is the final look. So that's how I usually make my pizza paste. So yeah. So this is the dough, the pizza dough. I just placed it in the pan, and then I covered it with some cling film. You can also cover it with a towel with warm water so that it doesn't harden. So this is it. And then when you take a good look at it, I don't know if it can be seen, you'll notice that it has some air bubbles. So actually at this point you can preheat your oven. While you're waiting for it to ferment, you're supposed to preheat the oven. Sorry I didn't tell you that, but you're supposed to preheat the oven. So this is like after around 20 minutes, and also the yeast that you're supposed to use, make sure it's fast yeast, like instant yeast. So you can see, I don't know if it can be seen, but it has already, when you touch it, you see, that's what you get. So yeah, so it has formed those air bubbles. That shows you that the pizza is good to go. So, and this is our paste. Just take a good look at it. It's so yummy, right? So this is our paste. And then what we're going to do is I have some mozzarella cheese here. So this is mozzarella cheese and some pre-cooked sausages for the toppings. Yeah, so let's get this going. So this is it, our pizza. Thank you so much for following up. It's Mother's Day today, so you can make your mama pizza today as a surprise. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching my video until the end. Let's meet next time, next Sunday, for another Adele School Time with Adele. Thank you so much. Let's eat, live and wear Ankara.